3. U.S. Department of Energy, How Electric Cars Work. https www.energy.gov vehicles. https www.energy.gov vehicles. هل تحبي المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة أو السيارات الكلاسيكية؟ تمام يا نجوى، ودي مقالة جديدة عن السيارات الكهربائية. EVs محتوى مخصص لإنتاج فيديو مدته 10 دقائق بواسطة InVideo AI. عنوان المقال: The Rise of Electric Vehicles, Shaping the Future of Transportation. Electric vehicles, EVs, are no longer just a trend, they are the future of the automotive industry. With advancements in technology, growing environmental concerns, and the global shift towards sustainability, EVs are transforming how we think about cars and transportation. In this article, we'll explore the rise of electric vehicles, their benefits, and why they are becoming increasingly popular worldwide. What are electric vehicles? EVs. Electric vehicles are vehicles that are powered by one or more electric motors using energy stored in rechargeable batteries. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, EVs do not rely on an internal combustion engine. Instead, they use electric motors that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy to move the car. The two main types of EVs are: 1. Battery electric vehicles, BEVs. These vehicles run entirely on electricity and need to be plugged into a charging station to recharge their batteries. 2. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. These cars use both an electric motor and a gasoline engine. They can run on electric power alone for short distances but switch to gasoline for longer trips. The environmental impact of EVs. One of the main reasons electric vehicles are gaining popularity is their positive impact on the environment. Here's how EVs contribute to sustainability. 1. Zero tailpipe emissions. Unlike traditional vehicles, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing air pollution and helping to combat climate change. 2. Reduction of greenhouse gases. When powered by clean renewable energy sources such as wind or solar power, EVs can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 70% compared to gasoline-powered cars. 3. Improved energy efficiency. EVs are much more energy efficient than gasoline-powered cars. Electric motors are 3 to 4 times more efficient at converting energy into movement, making them a more sustainable choice in the long run. How do electric cars work? Electric cars are powered by electric motors, which run on electricity stored in batteries. These motors can be either AC, alternating current, or DC, direct current, depending on the design of the vehicle. Here's a breakdown of the main components of an electric car. 1. Battery pack. The battery pack stores the energy that powers the electric motor. Most EVs use lithium-ion batteries due to their high energy density, lightweight nature, and longer lifespan. 2. Electric motor. The electric motor takes the electricity from the battery and converts it into mechanical energy to turn the wheels. 3. Inverter. The inverter converts the DC power from the battery into AC power to run the electric motor. 4. Regenerative braking. Many electric vehicles feature regenerative braking, which allows the motor to act as a generator when the vehicle slows down, converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy and storing it in the battery. The benefits of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles offer a wide range of benefits that make them an attractive option for both consumers and governments. 1. Cost savings. While EVs may have a higher initial purchase price, for the cost of electricity for charging is often lower than gasoline, and EVs require less maintenance due to fewer moving parts. 2. The government incentives. Many governments around the world offer tax incentives, rebates, and subsidies to encourage the purchase of electric vehicles. These incentives make EVs more affordable for consumers. 3. Low operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts compared to traditional vehicles, which means fewer parts that need regular maintenance, such as oil changes or exhaust system repairs. 4. Noise reduction. Electric cars are much quieter than gasoline-powered cars, reducing noise pollution, especially in urban areas. Challenges facing electric vehicles. While EVs are gaining traction, there are still a few challenges that need to be addressed. 1. Charging infrastructure. Although the number of charging stations is growing, there are still areas with limited access to fast charging facilities, making long-distance travel difficult. 2. Battery life and range. While the range of electric cars is improving, some consumers still worry about the distance they can drive on a single charge. However, with advances in battery technology, newer models can travel over 300 miles on a full charge. 3. Charging time. Despite improvements in fast charging technology, charging an electric car can still take longer than filling up a gas tank, especially when using standard home charging stations. Top electric vehicles on the market. The market for electric vehicles has exploded in recent years, with many manufacturers releasing new models. Here are some of the most popular EVs. 1. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 has quickly become one of the best-selling electric cars in the world, offering impressive range, advanced technology, and sleek design. 2. Nissan Leaf. One of the most affordable electric cars, the Nissan Leaf offers a solid driving range and practicality, making it ideal for city commuting. 3. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt offers excellent value for money with a long driving range and affordable price tag, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. 4. Audi e-tron. A luxury electric SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with the premium features Audi is known for. 5. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Ford's all-electric SUV is a combination of performance and practicality, offering a stylish and powerful alternative to traditional gas-powered SUVs. The future of electric vehicles. The future of electric vehicles looks incredibly promising, with new technologies and innovations on the horizon. 1. Better battery technology. One of the biggest barriers to EV adoption is battery cost and range. However, advancements in solid-state batteries, faster charging systems, and longer-lasting cells are helping to address these concerns. 2. Expanded charging networks. Governments and companies are investing heavily in building more fast charging stations to make EVs more accessible and practical for long-distance travel. 3. Autonomous electric vehicles. Many car manufacturers are also exploring the integration of autonomous driving technology in their electric vehicles, which could change the way we think about transportation. 4. Mass adoption. As more automakers commit to producing electric vehicles, we can expect lower prices, wider availability, and greater variety in electric vehicle options, making them accessible to more people. References: 1. International Energy Agency, IEA, Global EV Outlook 2020. 2. Tesla Model 3, Features and Specifications. 3. US Department of Energy, How Electric Cars Work. هل تحبي المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة أو السيارات الكلاسيكية؟